Inhale, exhale, let go. A stream hums softly through the green. The heart awakens to the unseen. Whispers float where sunlight bends. Through forest dreams the stillness sends. Falling leaves a gentle rain. Each breath releases quiet again. The air is tender, light and pure. Every sound a calm allure. In this hush your soul can be weightless in serenity. Let the forest sing in peace where time and worry find release. Silver streams soft melody in the forest streams of tranquility. Emerald tones and amber skies. The earth is calm beneath closed eyes. Whispered prayers in rivers flow, teaching hearts the peace to know. Let the forest sing in peace where time and worry find release. Silver streams soft melody in the forest streams of tranquility. You are still. The forest breathes with you. A sound guide.